As we speak, William Ruto's one term is permanent and sealed, and it is unstoppable. Mount Kenya region is one of those regions supported William Ruto overwhelmingly. And it was because of the division we saw in the mountain where Uhuru was supporting Raila, Rigathi Gachagua was supporting William Ruto. Today in a burial of former senator of Kirinyaga County, na hiyo burial bado inaendelea, you can see the unity that is now arising in between Gachagua and Uhuru Kenyatta.
But I want to tell you what Gachagua Ligiji has achieved in the last 1 or so years. Raila was unable to achieve it for all the time he led us in Maandamano. This time, Kenya is now united in saying one term. Nikisema harambee, 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 hiyo credit ipatie Gachagua. Na mjue ni mwanaume. Na kama yeye ni mwanaume na amefanya, si amefanya? Na sisi hapa katika kwa mlima, kwa sababu hiyo ndio jina ambayo tulipatiwa, we have a leader. Huyo ni kiongozi. Hatuna nafasi ya kusema mengi ya usee somewhere else. Na nitawaambia kwa nini I'm saying he is a leader, and he is a leader.
I know some individuals might not understand this, but I want you to understand, and I want to make you understand whatever is happening in between Rigathi Gachagua and Uhuru Kenyatta. Already as we speak, behind the scene, kuna a unity in between Rigathi Gachagua and Uhuru Kenyatta. And that is why ilifika mahali Rigathi alimeza ego yake na kurudi chini na kusema Uhuru Kenyatta ni kiongozi wetu, lazima tumuheshimu. Na vile mimi pia nang'ang'ana siasa ya Mount Kenya region, we have only one option: to unite and ensure our politics as Mount Kenya region is going to remain the same. Now, today in that burial, we could see the body language of Uhuru Kenyatta and Rigathi Gachagua. Now, before we continue, as you always do, ensure you like the video. When you like the video, you automatically support the work that I'm doing in this channel, because sometimes you watch and you forget liking the video. So it is just a reminder. As you watch, please consider liking the video. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.
We are in a season that we call Holy Week. And as we walk through the days of the Holy Week, we come across this very simple tool. Wheat to some, it is foolishness. The idea that abundant life, salvation, comes through suffering. The fact that fullness of life comes through the death on the cross. That seemed foolishness to some people. I think people are cheering, so somebody might be coming. Ukuthe gutire handu ha goikara, na gutire handu ingehuroka, demugendi dole te mucie wa iguru, tondu ni kuonjete irwo gikeno, ndikagarũrũka kana ninge njoke na thutha, tondu ni nyĩrĩgĩrĩire muoyo na ngerĩgĩrĩra maũndũ manene marĩa ngaheo ndakinya igũrũ. Mbara ĩno nĩ nene na ningĩrĩ hinya, no nĩ njĩrĩgĩrĩire gũtoria, ndĩrumbĩte nguo
huwa anasema politics of Mount Kenya region is so complex. For the first time now, as we approach 2027 general election, I'm seeing a scenario of the votes William Ruto had and the votes Raila Odinga had. It is going to be united. And the votes will be almost 4 million or kuelekea 4.5. Kwa sababu, look at the IEBC data. You will find Raila alipata 1.1 million votes from Mount Kenya region in the year 2022. Najua kuna wengine huo wajuangi. Muende kwa IEBC portal, the last general election 2022, utapata result pale. Mount Kenya region gave Raila Odinga 1.1 million votes.